This is Fanvil X210 IP phone and this is a LAN IP phone, as you can see. And this phone does not support Wi-Fi directly, means it does not have a Wi-Fi antenna inbuilt. So we need to connect a USB dongle which supports WLAN. So I have this USB dongle of TP-Link, and I'm going to connect it on this phone on the USB port. So let me connect this and show you. So now I have connected the adapter and it is showing adapter is added, scanning networks. So here I have connected this TP-Link, and on the display you can see it is scanning for the network. So here you can see after pressing the OK button, we have WLAN option enabled and WLAN status is disconnected, unknown networks, and then available net. So we have to select this available network option. So in the WLAN option we have to select this available network option. If you see here, then press OK and select the particular your SSID and click on link. Now it will ask you to enter the password. So in the field of password, enter the password. So I'm entering the password and now press the OK button. So it is now connected and we can now see that Wi-Fi is connected, and as well we can check the Wi-Fi status. So from here we are getting this network IP on the Wi-Fi interface test Wi-Fi. So this way you can connect a USB Wi-Fi dongle on the phone and can connect to the Wi-Fi.